So we decided to try this build your own hot pot spot, and y'all, best decision ever. All right, so boom, we pull up
with the familia.
Family of 4, ready to eat. Walk in and it's giving buffet vibes, but make it DIY. Brief 360, cute little spot. Look at all these varieties they have. All this meat, seafoods, noodles, veggies, tofu, eggs, and so many things for you to choose. You grab a tray, tongs, and literally start right there. Everything is laid out. Veggies, noodles, seafood, meats. Like you can really build your dream bowl. And don't let the calm fool you. We were low-key stacking those bowls, okay? Everybody in their own lane, picking their favorites. Then you take it to the front, they weigh it, and yes, this is where it gets real. Because the more you grab, the more you pay. But honestly, totally worth it. You pick your broth, mild, medium, spicy, however you like it. We kept it safe-ish, okay? Well, some of us did.
Jeez. Look at that.
Now the total for everything, 4 people, 4 meals, drinks, came out to about $118 with tip around $136. Honestly, for what we got, that's a good deal. While we waited, we grabbed extra sauces, rice on the side, you know, the little add-ons, and that makes it hit differently, okay? Then boom, we sat down and it was time. And y'all, when I tell you the food came out fast, like not even 5 minutes, I was like, wait, is this magic or what? The portions were huge. We definitely recommend this place, and yes, the kids are already talking about coming back. Like we were struggling to finish it. Me and my daughter had to tap out and take ours to go. That's how you know it's worth it. Everybody quiet. You know it's serious when nobody's talking. Just straight eating, okay? And let me tell you, the portions, big. We were full, happy, and already talking about coming back. All right, y'all, we're about to finish up and enjoy this food because clearly we've been waiting for this moment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.